This is a piano tutorial on What Child Is This time as a piano accompanist. So we don't need to play the melody in the right hand. I'll be singing the melody and we'll just play the chord in the right hand. So let me show you the chord first in the right hand. The first chord is an E minor chord. What child is this who laid? There's an E minor chord, starts on B, E, G. Laid to rest, there's a D chord. We're gonna do an A, D, F sharp like that. Laid to rest, there's a B minor chord, that's root position. B, D, and F sharp. Rest on Mary's lap. There's your E minor again. B, E, and G on the top. Mary's lap. There's a C chord, root position, C, E, G. Lap is sleeping, that's B7. And I've got A, B, D sharp, F sharp there. Whom angels, there E minor again, B, E, G. Angels greet with anthem, that's D, A, D, F sharp. Anthem sweet, there's your B minor chord, B, D, F sharp. While shepherds, there's E minor again, B, E, G. Shepherds watch, there's your B7 again, A, B, D sharp, F sharp. Watch are keeping, there's your E minor chord again. And this time we're going to move our hand up a little bit. We're going to do a G chord like that. D, G, and B in the top. This is Christ. There's a D chord in root position, D, F sharp, and A. Christ the King. There's your B minor, B, D, F sharp. Who shepherds, here's E minor again, B, G. Shepherds guard, there's a C chord, C, E, G. And angels sing, there's your B7 again. A, B, D sharp, F sharp. Then we do that same phrase again. G, D, G, B in the top. Haste, haste to bring, there's your D chord. Him, Lord. B minor, B, D, F sharp. The babe, E minor, the son, B7 of Mary, another E minor chord at the end. So that's your chord in the right hand. We try to keep it below the melody there. And then the only thing we need to add is the root note down low as you play the chord in your right hand. So when I'm playing that E minor chord, it's going to be an E note down low. When I'm playing a D chord, I've got that D note. Now you have the option, you could play it there, or alternate the two. I kind of like it down low there. B minor, there's your B minor, I got that there. Or I could do that note. Mary's lap, E minor, E in the bottom, C. Whatever the chord is in the right hand, it's the note your chord is named for. Down low is the bass note. And when you put it together, this is what it sounds like. What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap, is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping. This the